To me personally, it was very offensive.
Bill Gutzweiler is upset over this piece of paper, a note sent to him by the Saginaw County Controller's Office trying to make changes to the retired county employees' insurance plans.
You know, no negotiation, no speaking with, just this is what's going to happen.
Gutzweiler is pushing back. He was a police captain for Saginaw County for years and says the county is now trying to take advantage of the people dedicated to serving it.
County retirees were sound. They did not have to worry about this.
If approved, the changes include a 3-tier drug plan, making name brand and specialty prescription drugs more expensive. Right now, retired county workers under the plan pay a $2 copay for all medication. So we stopped in at the Saginaw County Controller's Office to ask the tough questions and find out what was happening to this insurance plan.
We're trying to keep it comparable to what they have. We don't want to take away from them.
Amy DeFord handles all the retirement plans and benefits for the Saginaw County employees and says they're just trying to get a handle on the rising health care costs.
Yes.
If this happened to you,
Uh-huh.
how would that feel?
I probably would feel, the same way.
DeFord says the county understands the concerns, and if the proposed changes do get approved, the most a retiree would pay for a prescription is just $80. But Gutzweiler says that's too much and will keep fighting to keep his benefits.
And so, it was a privilege to work for Saginaw County and a privilege to retire out. It is not a privilege to have these benefits that we worked our entire lives for to have all of a sudden taken away.
Reporting in Saginaw, Rachel McCrary, WNEM TV5.